Hey there, Autocad fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore the basics of 3D modeling in Autocad. Whether you are just getting started or looking to refresh your skill, this tutorial is all about the essential commands you need to know to start creating 3D. So in today's tutorial, we will use these extrude commands: revolve, sweep, subtract, and union. Along with this, we will try to model these 7 box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, and torus. So this will give you a basic information how we can create these things in AutoCAD 3D. So this is our AutoCAD. I am using AutoCAD 2024. Before we dive into the commands, let's make it sure your workspace is set up for 3D modeling. AutoCAD has dedicated workspace for 3D called 3D modeling. To switch to this, just go here and click on 3D modeling. So now we are in the workspace of 3D, AutoCAD 3D. And when you click here, you will see these lines are there. So by press function key and you have to press together function plus F7. So these lines will go. Now this is our workspace. How we will go into 3D view. So for that you have to go here, view, and click here. We have all the option here: top, bottom, left, right, front, back, southwest, southeast, north, east, and northwest. So we will click here southwest. Now our drawing in 3D space in the southwest astrometric. If you don't want to go there, just click on top, and here is the home option. You see here, click here, you will automatically change into the 3D one. For modeling, we have to click on solid, and we have these box, cylinder, and sphere, which I already mentioned in the beginning of this video. Let's start with box. We select the box here, and we select this one, and here you have to either you can put cube or length. Let's say I will put length L, then enter. And for straight line we have to put function F8. Now lines are straight. Let's say in this way I want to go 100, and this side I want to go 300. After this, it will ask you what is the height of the box, extrusion one. Let's say 150. With the help of the box command, your box is already created in 3D. To see in 3D, we have to click here on view. Sorry, we have to click on home here. And here, you have to click on conceptual. You see our box is created. You can rotate this box with the help of this orbit. Press mouse button on the box and then rotate. You see the green, ball. So it is the center of the box. So this is our box. We can create a box in this way. There are different geometries. Let's say hidden. You want to see hidden here. The box is hidden here. And there's a realistic. And then there's a shaded one. Same. And this is sketchy. So let's back to 2D wireframe. Now we already created the box here. Now we will create cylinder. Here it is asking what you want to P3 PTTR. We will want simple cylinder. Select on here. And then it is asking the radius or diameter. I will D enter diameter is 50. Now it will asking the extrusion height. I will give this one 300. So we create the cylinder here. These are the basics shapes in 3D, and it will help you a lot when you will create a complex 3D model in AutoCAD. Same way here. You want to get cone here. I will select here. And then it is asking radius. I will give 100. Now it's asking height of the cone. I will give 250. Now it's asking sphere. Now it's asking diameter. I will give diameter 50. This is the sphere. Now it's pyramid. Click here. It's asking in subscribed or out subscribed. We want in. I type in. It is asking radius. I give 100. And now it's asking height. What is the height you want? You can give any one. This is only for exercise purpose. We create the pyramid. This is wedge. I will have length here. So this way my length is 100 and that way my length is 20. Now it's asking height. I will give height 100. So the wedge is created here. Same with the torus. You click anywhere in the screen. And then it's asking what diameter. I give 150. Now it asks the radius of the torus. What is the diameter? It's up to you. So, for example, I will give 50. Here you go to conceptual. In this way, we created these 7 geometries in AutoCAD 3D. It's very simple. Hope you understand how we can create this one. So these are the very simple one. You create this one. Now we will use these commands extrusion, then revolve and sweep. This is more advanced. And after that, we will use here. This is a union, and this is a subtract. So I will let you know how these two work out. Let's say I move this cylinder here, and let's in the center here. Now, what is subtract? So you click here, subtract, select this box, enter, and then select what you want to subtract, enter. You know, it subtract from there, right? So in this way, this is working. Let's say you want to combine two component. Right now you click here, this is separate and this is separate. You can change the color also by change properties. Yellow, let's say this one, green. So first we done the subtract, now we will do the union. Now see, it is a different component and this is a different component. When you want to create a one component, we have to make it union. So this is union. Click here, this one, enter. See, now it is single. Change properties to, in this way we can make it single one. So these are the basics how we will work out. Let's go back to 2D wireframe and we will delete this one. And here we will come on top view. Let's say you want to extrude different geometry. Let's say this one some odd, and this is only for example purpose. And I want fillet this one, radius 15. And then fillet, radius I give 50 this one. Now we want to extrude this one. And for extrusion, there is a condition in AutoCAD. This should be a single line. This is all geometry. Then you can extrude, otherwise you cannot extrude in AutoCAD. So for joining this one, we have a command here, pedit. Simply type pedit, and select the subject. Then J, join. You see here, now it is a single one. Now you can extrude this one very easily. Let's go back to this view and go to home. Now here we are using to extrude command. Click on extrude, select this one, enter, and give your height. I will give this height 150. We will go in conceptual. See here, this is the extrude command. You can make in 2D single line geometry, then you extrude. So this is basic information of extrude command, how it work in AutoCAD 3D. Now let's go home. View and be on top view. And we will change this back to 2D wireframe. And now we are going to use revolve command. We will revolve something around one center point. For example, this is only for example I am just drawing. And let's say this is my point of rotation, center line. Again, if you want to rotate this one, revolve, it should be a single entity. So we will use P edit, select this one, join, enter, and select all. You see here it is single entity now. Now we will click here, revolve, select this one, enter, revolve, and this. Now it's asking what elevation you want. Let's say I want to rotate 180. Conceptual, and we see here our half geometry is revolved. You can rotate 270, you can rotate 50, 360 as per your own requirement. So this is the revolve. Back to 2D wireframe, and we will come back in top. We do home, and now we will sweep. Sweep. Let's say we want to run a shape through this way. Then we have to make it join first. Edit, join this and this, enter. Let's we give some radius here. Fillet, radius 50 we already given. 50 is very small. Fillet, radius 250. Now we will go back in 3D. We have to create a shape here, and we will sweep along this one. Now, let's say I will create a rectangle here, but this rectangle will be horizontal. We don't want to create this rectangle horizontal. For this, you have to change the UCS. Go to home here, click here this option you can see here, UCS, and select this one this way. Now we will create a rectangle here. Now let's make it a circle here. And diameter 200. Let's say 500. And we created one more cylinder here. It is 250. Diameter 250. So if you there is a limitation in sweep. If you want to sweep two objects along single path, you cannot. You have to copy this one again. We make it two because we want to sweep two. Now click here, sweep, select this one, enter this one. And same way, we will sweep this one, enter this one. You see in this way we get like a pipe or you want to make a handle, whatever you want. Now, we very important now we will make it hollow, this pipe. So here we have a subtract, which I already explained to you how you can use a subtract. Select outer surface, enter, select inner surface. You see here, and you can rotate here. This is a sweep command with the help of the extrusion. You can give any shape. I gave it circle. You make it a rectangle if you want to make ducting, right? So you make a square box or any shape and run along this one. In this way, the sweep command will work. So if you want to rotate in 3D, we have one command here, 3D curvate. You set here, it will start rotating automatically. Any direction, fast. It depends upon your mouse cursor, how you fast you do this one. Simply escape, and your 3D commands are done. So these are the basic commands, and you try these commands, do the practice, and next video we are going to draw this 3D geometry in AutoCAD. Stay tuned. And that's it. We have covered the basic commands you need to start modeling in 3D with AutoCAD. The box, cylinder, sphere, extrude commands are your starting points. The more you practice, more confident you will become. So go ahead and try these commands on your machine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. Got any questions or want to see specific topic covered? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.